able to get a finish like
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
all right, boy Trigger Man, back in the lab. And today, what we have here. Today, man, we are busy as hell in the shop. So I got two I'm doing in the booth at one time. This front bumper here, this is a white pearl 3-stage, goes to a Kia Stinger, I think it was. And then this here Range Rover, damage on the fender and door. Gonna be doing those. So today, I'm just knocking these out. Work is piled up, man. I gotta get busy. So yeah, so today what we're gonna be doing, man, we're gonna use old school guns, the Sata Jet 3000, RP, the GTI, the original GTI, not the Pro Light, GTI, and the LPH 400. Gonna use these old school guns. They got these new school guns coming out, crazy expensive. You guys are going crazy buying them all. You want the latest and greatest, but can these old school guns still perform with today's newly formulated paint formulas? Let's talk about it.
Trigger Man. Oh, you got your paint already set up, huh? Black, base, and pearl. But Trigger Man, hey bro, what you doing with all these old school guns, brother? You know damn well the bros want to see the new Sata Jet X. Man, come on, what is this? The oldie station? Come on, Trigger. Ain't nobody trying to listen to the oldie station, brother. Man, you got this new generation of painters. Hey, bro, all we want is Wacom. We want Sagola. We want the newest Sata Jet. You know, what else? What else? And the Vilbus, DV1, the Vilbus ain't really been doing too much of nothing lately, so I don't know about them, man. But yeah, man, dudes want the latest and greatest. And here you come with the old cassette player, you know? Ain't nobody want to listen to your cassette player, Trigger. Goddamn 8-track. Yeah, goddamn Trigger, man. You crazy, man. Unsubscribe, damn it. Unsubscribe.
Now, before you go to downplaying the old school guns, remember, these guns laid down the foundation for the guns you're playing with today, okay? These guns laid down that foundation as far as the gravity feed, okay? Most of these are first or second generation gravity feed guns, and they still work today. You know, these new guns, they're coming out. Yeah, they got all the little fancy stuff on them, little bells and whistles. But to somebody learning the trade, look, man, you don't need all that. You know, you really don't. Half of these guns, when they remake them, they ain't really changing nothing. It's all exterior stuff, you know. And I'm not calling out no gun specific. I'm just stating the facts. They changed some little things. Half of you guys can't even tell the difference in them. Not even you guys, even us painters. You know, even the professionals. Even the pro painters. Even them guys. You can hardly tell the difference. One gun comes out to the next, newest model. I mean, little difference. You know, a gram lighter. Looks prettier. But these guns, man, this Sata Jet 3000, this RP gun, I bought, I want to say 2002, between 2001 and 2003, I purchased that gun. Because the LPH, I know for sure, I bought in 2006. And I had this Sata Jet 3000 RP years before I got the Iwata LPH 400. And that was the go-to, you know. The paint formulas, the materials, I mean, it's all pretty much the same stuff. I will say that the fan size has increased a lot on the Satas. That I will say I noticed. But again, those big, large super fans, most of the professional painters turn those fans in. You know, we still turn the fans in a turn. So having that big, extra wide fan, when you guys are like, oh, the fan is large, look how it's 14 inches. Like, that ain't doing nothing but messing you up, man. You know, you don't need no damn 14-inch fan. To do what? You know? Kill mosquitoes. It's not beneficial on metallics. It's not all that beneficial on clear coat. Because chances are wide open, 14 inches, excessive fan, it's not going to be even. So you're going to have to adjust some things and bring it in. So basically, the moral of the story, man, you guys are going out there. Some of you guys I know personally that I've met from YouTube. I'm not going to say no names, James, but you guys go crazy, man. Spending. You guys spend more money. Some of you guys that are just starting the trade, you spend more money on guns than professional painters do. It's crazy. It's crazy. When I say professional painters, I'm not talking about on YouTube. I'm talking about guys that actually work in the shops, in the trenches, not on YouTube. Most of your YouTube painters getting the guns that you're going out buying every single one of. YouTubers are getting the guns free, so they're not even paying for the guns. But you guys are. So you go out spending all that money buying every damn gun. Chill out, man. Chill out. I'm not telling you what to do with your money, but I mean, come on. Like the Porfis guns, they're priced okay, you know. But if some of you guys out there, I know they're a little bougie and you want, you know, the top brands. I mean, some of these guns you can find hardly used on eBay, open box. I'm not saying the ones that have been run down, that need rebuild kits. But even so, if you have to get a rebuild kit, you know, there's a lot of different options. Again, this gun here, 20 plus years old, did a beautiful job. Beautiful. And believe it or not, when this new Sata Jet X comes out, it's going to get the same exact finish. I promise you, it's going to get the same exact finish as this 20 plus year old gun. And the speed still has that same Sata Jet speed. I'm sure this new gun is going to be just as fast as all the Satas are. They're known for the speed and quality and longevity. But yeah, so a couple guys had asked me, hey Trigger, are you getting the new Sata Jet X, blah blah blah. So that's what prompted me to do this video. It's like, man, I think I'm done with spray guns. If somehow, by miracle, they send me one, then cool. I'll demo it. I'll give you guys my opinion. But as far as me purchasing more spray guns, unless they do something crazy with paint, or it's formulated different and I need a reason, something to justify me buying a gun, I am done.
All right. That's what we looking like. So you guys out there, man, going crazy, running up your credit cards, trying to keep up with the newest guns. It's not needed, man. It's not needed. Got a little piece of dirt there, dirt nib there. Fairly clean. But yeah, man, this here 20 plus year old spray gun, you know, you can probably find one on eBay. It's not a big deal, man. It's not a big deal, you know. Don't be out there trying to bankrupt yourself with these spray guns, man. We got the new Sata Jet coming out now. You know, some of you guys gonna be out there maxing out credit cards to only be able to get a finish like that, you know, from something like this. So don't go crazy, okay? Okay? Take it from me. It's not needed. It's not needed. It's not needed. But anyway, yeah, so I got a whole bunch of other cars to paint out here, man. I'm busy, so I must go now. So I'll catch you guys in the next one.
Okay, so this is a couple hours later, right out of the booth. And again, you think you're really gonna get something different with the newest, the latest, the greatest. It's gonna be the same deal. And here is later that day after they washed it, ready to go. Same thing. I mean, be serious, man. You know? But hey, you guys do what you want, man. I'm just here trying to save you a couple bucks. But if you got the bucks to spend, then spend them, damn it. This is your boy Trigger signing off. Want to thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, drop a comment. Like I said, share the video with a friend. And after doing so, if you would please tell his girlfriend. Peace.